How to fix Monopoly Go airplane glitch not working. So let's start. So firstly go into your internet connection and you have to make sure that you are using the secure internet connection, and after that you have to go back and you have to go into your phone settings. From here go in the general and click on the iPhone storage. Now you have to go in the Monopoly, and here is the option of the offload app. You have to click on it. Now if you are in the Android, you have to clear the cache of your Monopoly. So once you clear it, you have to go back and you have to go into your app store or the play store that you are using. From here go in the search and search for the Monopoly. Now click on it, and here you have to make sure that you are using the latest version, and if you are not, so you just have to update it. So once you update it, you just have to again go back, and if the problem is still not fixed, then you have to drop down your menu and you have to disable the airplane mode and restart the app, and you are able to fix the Monopoly Go airplane glitch not working. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.